really comfortable night in the pod last night. Bit of luxury the last couple of nights, campsite and pod. Wild camp tonight, then on Monday we'll be in hopefully in the Affric youth hostel. So we're going to get some breakfast. That's us been on the go for just over an hour, and we've just come up to the 5k mark. Thanks to Robert, Murchie's Mountains, for all your help yesterday, mate. That was fantastic. Basically what Robert done was he ran me and Dave to the end of the hike up to the start of the hike, and he met us at Cannich. But he had all our sort of heavy kit, sleeping bags, tents and what have you, ready for the pod. So this is our real first day with the heavy pack on and that, so far so good. I say we're only come up for 5k in. Weather's still holding off, still some blue sky in it, but a lot more cloud than there was yesterday. We are set for some rain maybe later on in the day, but we'll just see how that goes. But again, thanks again, Robert.
soul, but I'm not a soldier. I got 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 soul, but I'm not a soldier.
finally, that's us done. Cannich to River Affric car park. Well, a total of 22.13k, 503 metres ascent, and that took us 7 hours and 7 minutes. Great hike, similar to yesterday, a lot of just forestry track. It was a nice bit at the lock side, but you're mostly in the forest, so I believe the next few days we get out into Glen Affric and basically the views and all that will open up. The weather has been really kind to us. Nothing, really good walking weather today. Overcast, sunny at times, and I say only 500 metre ascent. So I'm going to get my tent set up. This is our first night wild camp. Tent set up tonight. All the luxuries are away, all the pods, all the campsites, they're away. So we're hoofing it tonight, but tomorrow night, as I said, we're in the youth hostel. So another great day. I've really enjoyed it. Feeling a bit sore, but I can't wait to get the Crocs on and get some dinner tonight. Right guys, that is the tent set up. I'm in the Lanshan one. Usual setup. I've got my X-bed mat, Sierra Designs quilt, and my Decathlon pillow at the top there. I'll be looking forward to getting into that later on at some point. I'm absolutely knackered, but the hike today was great. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. The weather was great. I can't fault the weather. It's looking a bit murky. There's wee spits of rain just coming down as you speak the now. It was forecast for rain at some point today, but check the cloud coming in. Check the cloud coming in. There's our very own Manfredo. Yeah, so I'm going to get settled. Going to get a wee whiskey, get my dinner on, probably hit the sack. time. Right guys, for tonight's meal we're having beef stew with potato, something to eat. I've heard they're really nice. I've never tried this one before, so I'll let you know how it goes. Try this bad boy. Oh, that's good. Oh, touch the spot. Wow. Yeah, that's good. That's good, mate. Let's try some.
Got one.
Good taste, yeah. Wow. Wow. Take that out, trips. Fucking roasting though. Well guys, that rain it was forecast for today, it's finally here. So I'm in the tent, I'm just hoping that it's not going to be on too long, but I doubt it. But it seems dry enough in here, so I've been here for a good bit. Lunch. Very nice, very nice. Hey guys, day 2 complete. Fantastic day, fantastic hike. So far the trip's been great. I've loved every minute of it. So another one night to go, 2 days. Let's see what they bring. I'll catch you in the morning.